Welcome back to your own digital learning station, Prudence Coaching English class. Hello students, today we are going to discuss about one of the most important and frequently repeated letter in all school and government exams. This is our informal letter 4. We have separate playlist for paragraphs, letter and literature, language, everything. Here the question is, write a letter to your friend who stays further describing about a festival of West Bengal. Here we have created this letter in such a way that you will get the use of best language and it is 100% new composition. So let's start the letter. As you know students, in the beginning we have to mention the writer's address. Here the address is 16 CR Avenue, Kolkata 7,26,000. Now after this we have to mention the date of writing. Today's date is 30th November 2021. So whenever you will be writing the date, mention the date of writing. We have discussed a lot about the rules of writing informal letter as per ICSE, CBSE and West Bengal board. You are supposed to go through this video, which will obviously help you to know each and everything about letter writing. We have already discussed about the marking scheme, that means how much marks is given for which part of the letter. So if you watch those videos, it will really help you to know about the marking scheme and the rules of writing informal letters. Check the playlist. From that you can easily avail these contents. So after leaving one line gap, we'll be writing the greeting line. Dear Deepak. So here we are going to write this letter to Deepak. I just received your letter yesterday and it was so good to hear from you after so long. Today I will tell you how excitingly we have spent Durga Puja this year. It had started on 11th October and ended on 15th October. I am surprised that these 5 days have passed all of a sudden amid fun and frolic. Now next para. Entire Kolkata was decorated with lights and canopies. The rituals of Durga Puja begins with Mahalaya. We start pandal hopping from Sashti. On the day of Saptami, I went out along with my close friends to visit a miniature of Burj Khalifa in Sribhumi Puja Pandal, Salt Lake. Here the mesmerizing lighting effects were really praiseworthy. Now the next para. On Ashtami, after offering my floral tributes to goddess Durga in our local puja pandal, I accompanied my parents to Behala for the famous puja pandals. Many food stalls, balloon shops and other things surrounded the pandal ground. We ate delicacies at various restaurants. Dasami, the last day of the puja, marks the immersion of the idol in the holy Ganges. We followed the vehicles carrying idols up to the place of submersion of Devi Durga. Now the concluding para. Indeed, we all enjoyed and missed you here a lot. I will send you the pictures the moment I get them. This was perhaps the best Durga Puja I have ever enjoyed so far. Convey my best regards to your parents and love to Sana. Now after leaving one line gap, we'll be writing about the subscription and the signature. Here yours ever. This is the subscription and here the name of the writer is Somu. So we'll only be mentioning the first name. Now the address of the recipient. Don't forget to miss that. We are writing this letter to Deepak, so we'll be mentioning the writing address of Deepak. Deepak Jain, care of Hitesh Jain. Now here is the small address, Gandhinagar, Sector 21, Gujarat 382021. So here it is the address of another state, because in the question it was marked that you have to write a letter to a person who is living further than you, probably in some other states. So in this way we have discussed this letter very well. If you want to know anything, just join our Telegram group. You can connect us with Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well. Thanks for watching students, and don't forget to check the description box. Here you will get the complete playlist links. Goodbye everyone. Have a nice day to all of you and all the best for your examinations. Goodbye.